Hello creative ones, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the welcome back video for 2021. Thank you all for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's DIY this beautiful fascinator. Our material needed for this DIY, we have our feltcap, flower, Alice band, we have scissors, and we have our net. Our length for this net is 18 inches long. You can add more to it if you want it to be more bold. So 18 inches is okay. You are going to make a running station just the way I'm doing it. You have to be very careful when doing it. Place the net on the feltcap the way I'm doing it. I'm going to place it very well. I'm going to use a needle and thread to hold it together from up to down the way I'm doing it. You're going to use the flower to cover the sewing parts. You can make use of 1 flower, 2 flowers, or 3 flowers. Use a hot glue to hold it together with the feltcap and net. Make use of a hot glue. It's time to pearl our fascinator. Make sure when you're making use of the pearl, make sure you use it round and make it very full, like the way I'm doing mine. I've already glued my Alice band, so the next thing I'm going to do is I want to cover the finishing part. So that's what I'm going to do now. You are going to make use of your swimming to cover that part. Thank you guys, this is the final outcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like and comment. Thank you all. See you next time on my next video. I love you all.